أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Hope and pray that you all are doing well and good, inshallah. Bismillah ta'ala. Kindly make use of the chat box. Assalamu alaikum. May Allah keep you all in best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, we are into the day 14th of this Canva Mastery course named as Design Like a Pro. And Alhamdulillah, welcome you all to the last but the second day of the course, right? Alhamdulillah, we are heading towards the completion of this course that we had begun on probably the 8th of August, right? Alhamdulillah, we are heading on to the completion, inshallah, in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow would be the Takmil session, the last session, and tomorrow also we will be learning so many important aspects of editing. And today, dear sisters and brothers, as already I have shared with you on the WhatsApp group, that you're going to learn entire video editing on Canva, inshallah ta'ala. And today would be a major session for those whoever is looking forward to create the YouTube videos, Insta videos, or wherever, dear sisters and brothers, today would be the major session, animations and more you're going to learn in today's class. Okay, so stay tuned till the end of the session. Today would be the very important session for you all, because you will be learning entire video editing in today's class, inshallah ta'ala. Are you all ready? Come on, please type in, let me see. Bismillah. So let's all start with rectification of intention, so that we will gain rewards while we are into this course, while we are spending 1 hour into this course, inshallah ta'ala. So with the spirit of learning, inshallah, let's all just begin by rectification of intention, that we are going to educate ourselves to either to use the skill fi sabilillah or use it as a career, inshallah ta'ala, so that we can earn rizq halal to this, inshallah ta'ala. So dear sisters and brothers, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and a quick recap on whatever we have dealt on the day 13 of the course. Come on, please type in if you all were present in yesterday's session. What did we learn? What did we learn in yesterday's class, dear sisters and brothers? It was about the business flyers, business banners that we had begun with, right? How to create your own banners. We had designed one banner, yes. Then we had started off with the event flyers, the ceremony banners. Yes, yes, and also the wedding invitations. What more? These were some of it that we had created with the blobs. Then we had created the invitation cards. Then we had created a takmil invitation, the party invitation, event invitation, something like these. Alhamdulillah, we also created a this one. This was yes. We also created with the T-shirt prints. Excellent, Sister Tahura. Yes, Alhamdulillah. And we also created something like the t-shirt designs. Yes, this design was created and was put up on the t-shirt as well. So we also created the book cover design, right? Book cover design. So these were some of the topics that we had dealt with in yesterday's class. We were left out with 2 more topics, but we couldn't cover because we were almost time for the class. Inshallah, in today's session, yeah, sisters and brothers, we are going to cover up very important major topics, and I want you all to stay tuned till the end of the session today, because today would be very important for each and every student here. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So I hope and pray that you all will take most out of today, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, let's head on to quickly. We're going to learn how to create your own magazines. We'll just see how you're going to do with the templates. We'll also see how you're going to create the infographics, how to whatever you're going to do, how you're going to develop your own website, inshallah. We're going to see that website designing, Collages, how to develop that, and entire video editing with Canva will be dealt in today's session, inshallah ta'ala. If we are left out with any of these video editing parts, then we'll discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay, so remember, today you're also learning how to create your own animations, how to create intro outro videos, how to design, how to edit using audio edit using the Canva, and inshallah ta'ala, I just want you all to live practice in today's class, because it is a major class for you all, inshallah ta'ala. And dear sisters and brothers, be ready with the 2 devices. Live practice is must for everyone here. If you do not have two devices, remember, at least take a notebook and note every important point that is being told here, inshallah ta'ala. After the class, please make sure you're writing it all or doing it all after the class, inshallah ta'ala. So dear sisters and brothers, let's all begin with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Into the day 14th of this course, last but the second day, inshallah. So here, dear sisters and brothers, we are just beginning with something called as, what are we going to start with now? Because we were left out with some of the concepts in today's class, right? Some of them are concepts like magazines. If you're going to create a magazine, so it is nothing but a booklet, right? So you just can type the booklet and see. If you just type it on the Canva, you have hundreds of templates with this, okay? So magazines, how do you want the magazines to be? You have it all. You can take one template, all of it are pro with you. You can take one template and just edit it as per your needs. So even the magazines, something a big concept is, can also be done with this Canva application. If you want to create magazines, Islamic magazines, if you want to create something like, you can just mention the topics what you want to create for food kind of magazines or whatever, dear sisters and brothers. Make sure you're writing the keywords very perfectly, very, what we say, choose the keywords wisely before you write it, okay? Islamic magazine, magazine, or something like that. You can even mention the exact name of the words that you want to make magazines on. For example, food related, okay, food related, event related, entertainment kind of magazines, food magazines, whatever you're well versed in, you can just go ahead with that and start creating the magazines on that part, inshallah ta'ala. So if you are interested in making magazines, then you have it all over here. Fine. Editing is very easy, as you all know how beautifully we can edit the templates very easily. And what is an infographics, dear sisters and brothers? For example, I'll just create one infographics for you. How to create an infographics? You can just go ahead with the create a design and type infographic. Infographic will be a long kind of sheet. Probably you have all have seen. We actually get the Dawa pamphlets in the infographic format. Okay, I have so many Dawa pamphlets that are put up in the infographic format. What do they do is they collect all of the information in single page. Hopefully you all have seen that, right? Infographics. In the infographics, what do they do, dear sisters and brothers? They just have a long page onto which they have all the informations like this in this way. Okay, in the templates you'll find it. Just here in the templates you have it all, something like this. For example, if I'm a teacher or something like that, I want to create infographics for my students. If, for example, I want to create it on the sun and the planets, okay, sun and the planets. Sun, I'll just write and just see. I'll just take a beautiful picture, and then I can just go ahead with the topics and then just start creating. I'll see what I can go ahead with. I'll just put this up sun over here. Okay. Then the planets, for different planets. So for each thing, I'll just write some kind of info. Different planets I'll mention, and I'll just start ahead with this. Then I'll just mention universe. Universe. Okay, something like this I'll take. I'll put it as a background. And then for this one things, if I want to remove the background, just putting up the sun, then the planets here and there. If you want the planets also, you can just mention all the planets, and you have to write here, right? Write the text here. So what I'll do, I'll just carry it from something else. See, I just took the template. Now this earth is over here. I can delete it. I can just go ahead and take a sun there. Okay, whatever you want, you can edit it in your own ways. This is called as the, what we say, infographics. Okay, infographics. For example, sun I'll put up here. Then I'll just start with each and every, for example, first planet in the solar system that we have. Okay, what do we call it as? Okay, you can just start off with whatever the names that you wanted. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Pluto. Okay, so we can just go ahead with the start with whatever the planets are. So the third or fourth is Earth, right? Third probably. So you can just go ahead with something with this, and planets of the solar system you can just mention. Yes. So this way you can just go ahead with your sisters and brothers. And then, dear sisters and brothers, what else you can do is, okay, this way this called as infographics, all the info in one page, right? Hopefully you can just do it all together. Okay. The next topic that we wanted to deal with is what was the topic? Infographics done. Website designing. Dear sisters and brothers, in the Canva for Edu, you won't be able to get to publish the website. So I'm going to show you one trick, Uda, how you can just publish a free website. Okay, because you cannot get in hand the free website through this. So just can go to the team, okay? Switch the team from EDU-SITE to your personal. Go to the personal, okay? How to switch it? On the left side, switch the team to personal. Fine. Okay, come on, do it together with me. Website designing. You're building a website now within moments, within seconds. Come on, do it along with me. You just have to click here. Go ahead with the free Canva, because with the free Canva you can have a free website developed, or else you need to pay for the website developing. Okay, so you just can from the EDU-SITE, just move ahead from the EDU-SITE to your free Canva. Okay, personal, there's personal mention, you can go ahead with that. Hopefully you all have gone to that. Okay, now you just have to go to the creative design, and or else you can go here and type websites. Okay, whichever website you want, your sisters and brothers, you can have it. Okay, whichever names you want to put up. For example, if you want a fashion kind of website, educational website, or something like that, you can put up here. You know, the designing platform for the website, this is excellent. Okay, this is excellent choice. So just can mention education website. Okay, select the keywords very efficiently, very excellently. Education website. Okay, I'll just edit it I'll edit few of the term, and I'll show you how we can develop the website, and even you can launch the website here for free. Okay, for example, do not take the pro version kind of this one. Take free websites, free educational websites. Okay, make sure it has some pages, 6 to 7 pages. Okay, let's see. And also it should be a bit good one. Welcome to my classroom hub. Let me just take this. Okay, it doesn't have much pages, so let me just drop it. Okay, I'll take this BSU. I'll customize this template. Okay, I'll just change it to something like EDU-SITE. Okay, this logo, instead of this logo, I'll put up my logo. Okay, I can just go ahead with the gallery and take the Canva. Take your own logos and put it up here. EDU-SITE. Add to page. Okay, I'll just put it up here. Then design like a pro. Design like a pro. Okay, then I can just mention whatever ABCD. Okay, Canva mastery course. Canva mastery course. Okay, register now and learn more. See, dear sisters and brothers, when you just click on these are called as the links. Okay, these are called as the links through which you have to just link the pages, one page to another. Fine. So these are called as CTC. We call it as call to action. CTA, CTAs or CTCs we call it. So it is actually the call to action. Fine. So you just, when you click on this register now, it will take you to some other page, something like that. Fine. So you can just go ahead with that. Select it perfectly, and you can just link it to another page. Okay, so in this way you can just go ahead with. So these are, you can just change, these are the pages. Okay, this was page number 1. This is all in one website all design in straight pages. Fine. And then if you want to link these pages, then you just have a link somewhere. Just a moment, I'll grab it. Okay, okay, there's a link here, dear sisters and brothers. You see here, when you click on this, there is a link here. You can just click on this link. Okay, you can just tell where should it take you. When this learn more, it will take you to learn more or about the course. Okay, something like this you have to link. Okay, this is called as call to actions, CTCs or CTAs. Fine. So this is how you, for example, register now. When you click, I'll just ungroup it. I want the register now button only. When you click on register now, it should actually take you to something. Register now, where it will take you to the page. About it will take you to the page. You can mention it from here also, or you can add the link from outside also. Fine. So done. In this way, you can link the pages from one page to another page. Okay. So this is called as call to actions. Okay. When you know developing how to develop a website, or if you are a website builder, then you will understand this, or else you won't understand how you are actually going through the website. Probably you have understood. For the register now also, how you are going to just go ahead with. I can just click on this register now. Okay, and then on this there is a link. Okay, on this there is a link, register now, and you can just go ahead with about or something like that, whichever you want. These are the pages it will mention to you. It will link from one page to another page. That's all. Now, how to preview this website? Preview is nothing but does this website look like? Okay, there are both views. One is the computer view, one is the smartphone view. The website will look on the computer like this. When you click on this register now, just look here. It will take you to register now, or the page that I wanted. And next, learn more. It will take me to the learn more, the contact about the event, something like that. Right. So now, and here as well, home, speakers, activities, about, contact. See how beautifully it's taking me from one page to another page. Okay. So this is how you can just add the call to actions to your websites. And this is a smartphone view that is here, dear sisters and brothers. And how to publish this? There's something called as publish a website. Fine. Okay, you can just go ahead with your own URL. For example, for this website, I can add EDU-SITE, Canva mastery. Canva. I'll just write EDU-SITE Canva, and then you can just go ahead with .my.canva.site. If you want your own domain name, okay, if you want your own custom name, for example, you want edusite.com instead of edusite.canva.site, then that will cost you. Okay, you have to pay for purchasing the domain as well as launching it. Fine. So here, dear sisters and brothers, Canva provides you free domain name as well as free free publishing site. So you can just publish it. If you want to publish settings, you can change these things. The website descriptions it will provide you. It will actually take you to these are the target keywords that you can put up here. Fine. Advanced settings are also there. You can have the password protection on your website. You can just publish the website within a moment. It will be published within seconds. Okay. Now, if you want that, if you want to see, you can just go to your Google. Same URL you have to copy. edusite/canva.mysite.canva.com. This is your website. Okay. Within seconds, I have developed the website. I'll show you how this is on the Google Chrome or somewhere. Within seconds, the website is done. Free website. See, this is your free website. Okay. Did you all just look into this? Free website generated. Website is done, yes, sisters and brothers. Hopefully you liked it, right? So this is how Canva, but it will give you the site with Canva name. Okay, so my.canva.site. Okay, this thing you will get. Hopefully you have understood. Can you develop one website for yourself with your name, and you can just develop something like all my designs in one page? Will you do that? Will you try it? You cannot do it in Pro Canva because it is Canva for education, and if you go ahead with that, you have all of the pros of this one. You have to pay for the designs as well as for this one because you are using the Pro feature there. Okay, you cannot go ahead with the Pro version there. Okay, you can go ahead with free version and get the free website done. Fine. Okay. So Alhamdulillah, hopefully you have understood how beautifully you can do it. Because see, the domain name you are getting is mycanva.site. Fine. If you want the custom name, you have to pay again. I'll just go ahead with the Canva. I'll show you how you are going to develop your own custom name. For example, what I'll do, if you want your own custom name, so how we are just going to publish the site. Okay. Then you're just going to if you don't want this site name, okay, the site is already published, you cannot go ahead with it again. So what you can do is, dear sisters and brothers, you just have to click on this one, edit this name, and here get a new domain, and it will cost you around 5,000 or something. Bring your own domain. This is you have to bring your own domain, you have to pay for the Canva Pro, and then you have to go ahead with the this one monthly subscription, as well as then you have to go ahead with Pro version of the Canva with 4K, as well as then you have to pay for the this one, what we say, purchasing the domain. Okay, so this is how costly it is. So you just can try it out with the free pages. Fine. So this was not the major topic because actually most of you don't want to create your own websites, or most of you are not aware of the website creations. But if you want, this is how you do it. Fine. Okay, can you highlight it once more? What do you want me to highlight? Can you please mention whichever site you want? For example, personal site, personal website. If you want to have it like everything mentioned about you, so you just can write personal website. Okay, just see what personal websites can go ahead with. Hi, my name is Hannah. This website is also fine. Okay, I'll take the second one. Second one, okay. Third one, no. I'll just take something that will give me I'll take this one, fifth one, the free website. I'll customize this. Okay, You can just change it to your own web. I mean, for example, whatever you want to do it on your own. Okay, for example, you can just delete it, delete image. You can put your own image instead of that. For me, let me just put something like, okay, we do not have much time. Dear sisters and brothers, we have to head on to the very important concepts. Okay, so for example, I'll take some EDU-SITE kind of logo. Okay, design like EDU-SITE itself, I'll take. Okay, what is it? Okay, so in this way, you can just change whatever is expected in this or services provided, what are the client testimonials, whatever pages, how to link the pages. If there is any call to action, you just have to check. Email me. Okay, this was about you, right? So if you want email me, you just have to link it to whatever email link, or you can just go ahead with the contact. Okay, with the contact, something like this. These are CTCs that are mentioned on the website. And then publish your website. So how to publish your website? You can just go ahead with URL. If you want the same URL with the EDU-SITE itself, or you can just go ahead with that, or you can just, okay, you have developed the website with edusite.canva.com. So you just have to even have it this as another page to that website, right? So you can just publish the same settings for the page that you have. So make sure one Canva free account, you can create one of the websites. So make sure you're doing it very excellently. Don't do it right now. Don't publish it right now. Once you edit everything, you can just publish it later. Fine. So that thing you will just get it on this site, EDU-SITE canva.my.canva.site. Okay. So you even have these features on WordPress, the free website building, even Google Sites you have the free website building with the templates. You can even go ahead with that. I prefer using the WordPress and more. So we actually didn't think of creating on the Canva. So Alhamdulillah. Okay, yes, sisters and brothers, we'll just go back to the Pro EDU-SITE team. Where are we? Okay, Alhamdulillah. Come on, let's go back. We are going to learn so many major concepts, inshallah. Are you all ready? Back to the team? Yes or no? Yes or no? Alhamdulillah. Okay, so hopefully you have understood these settings, right? Okay. So Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. What is the next topic that we are going to head on to? Okay, we are going to head on to the topic known as, okay, what was it about? Entire video editing, right? We were starting. No, I think we had about a topic about collages, right? Collages. How to create your own collages. Probably by now you have understood how to create your own collages, right? Collage is nothing but you are just going to add all of the photos together. If you want a photo collage in landscape or the photo collage in portrait, you can just go ahead with the landscape or portrait, whatever you want, and then you can just go ahead with making the collage. Fine. For example, how to make a collage. So you have very excellent templates you can even do with this, or you can just go ahead with the elements and take the what we say frames you have to take, and then you just can arrange all the photos that you want to put up inside one frame. For example, you want to arrange 10 photos as a collage. You are making it for an event or something like that, and you can just go ahead with the collage. Even the collage, the photo editors actually, if you are a photo editor, then you will be asked to create the collage. Okay, create the collage. So you can just go ahead with that. Okay, for example, something like this, 10 to 15 photos you can put in the frame. Make sure you're doing it a bit, what we say, a bit with creativity. Fine. Let me just duplicate. I'm just showing you how you can create the collage. That's all. Now you have to put your creativity into the pictures and you just have to create. For example, I'll just put this here. Okay, I'll just duplicate this. I'll put it here and I'll take one round. I'll put it at the center, something like this. I'll write in between that this is my, what we say, this, or you can just write childhood memories of someone or something like that, okay, in between or something like that. It's all up to you. So this is how you create the collage using the frames. On the frames, you can even mention collage there, okay? Collage. You have collage in the kind of the frames as well, okay? In the frames, you can have the collage kind of feel. You can just see what goes well with your designs and you can just grab it up, fine? Okay, this is just a topic that I wanted to touch because this is a photo editing software, video editing software. This is also a graphic designing software. So you can do all of the works very easily. So you don't even have to worry whether I will be able to create the collage or not. Yes, you can. You will be able to create everything with this. Okay, documents, whiteboards. You are able to create Instagram posts, mobile videos. Inshallah, video topic will be touched now. Posters, all adult, YouTube thumbnail. Tomorrow we'll deal with it. Your stories and all. We have created everything. Alhamdulillah. Presentation done. Videos today. Inshallah. Wallpapers, yes, this topic was left out, dear sisters and brothers. How to create your own wallpapers. For example, let's just go ahead with the design. I'll go with the wallpaper. Now you want AI to generate a wallpaper image. That AI will do it very excellently, dear sisters and brothers. Desktop wallpaper, you just take the wave and then go ahead with the AI and write what we say AI. You have various AI options, right? For example, Magic Media, you can go ahead with Magic Media. For example, where is Magic Media? Sorry, not in the templates, please. In the elements, Magic Media. Magic Media. And then, extremely sorry, in the apps, you need to go with the Magic Media. And then you just have to make sure you're writing a beautiful prompt. Remember, prompt, you have writing the prompts in different ways is a key to getting the beautiful images, fine? So how you're going to get the beautiful images with the prompts itself. So let me just write the dreamy and wallpaper with Muslima on a starry night. Starry night. Okay, generate image on a starry night. Okay, you can just make sure you're generating your own wallpapers for your own what we say for your own smart devices, smartphone, something like these. These are just the wallpapers that you all can generate for yourselves. Okay. Okay, just look into this. You can just go ahead with adding it to the design. Okay, or you can just write from behind or something like that if you wish to add it. Something like this. This was a desktop wallpaper. If you want something from your mind, whatever you think of, you want it, you can just go ahead and type whatever you think, and you can just make sure you're making your own backgrounds. Or else, if you want to add some things to it, if you want yourselves to be added, you know the photo editing features, right? For example, let me just write starry night. Starry night. Okay. For example, you want yourself to be put up on that. Then let me just take this. I'll just put this some beautiful thing. Okay, let me see some beautiful photos. Okay, let me just be there. Set images background. Then what else can you do? You can put your image. For example, if you want your own images, like I'll just put Muslima here because I do not have any image in the gallery. Muslima. Then you can just go ahead with the all, and then I'll take this Muslima here. I can remove the background of this image. Okay, this way you can just go ahead with. Or else if you want something like if you want it to be customized for your own way, and this way you can edit the image and remove the background and put your own images, put your own backgrounds, make your own backgrounds in that way, fine? Something like this, put up. Okay, or else if you want to change this to some other place, if you want it to be the Paris, or if you want it to on something else, the towers here, you can just go ahead and put it there, set images background. Just look into this designs, you can just create it very efficiently, very effectively, fine? So do not worry, this is how you all can just create your own desktop wallpapers by your own ways, okay? And you can put it on your desktop, or if you are wanted in the format of the smartphone devices, so you just have the smartphone wallpapers as well, okay? See a wallpaper, phone wallpaper or the desktop wallpaper. You can take any of the aspect ratio and go ahead with that, fine? So alhamdulillah, we are done with that. And yes, sisters and brothers, we are going ahead with video editing now, inshallah ta'ala. Are you all ready? Okay. So dear sisters and brothers, we have different kind of videos, fine? Hopefully, you know, videos. Video is a very big topic, dear sisters and brothers. Hopefully, you all know that, right? We actually have how many days course? 15 days course launched just for video editing, okay, that to professional video editing with a software known as KineMaster. We actually provide the software for free, the paid version of the software for free, and that is an extra video editing course, fine? So now in one day, if I want to cover it all, then remember, I'll be I'll be very fast and I want you all to grasp it in a very quick way, inshallah ta'ala. So be more attentive, more concentrating, okay? So now for the videos, dear sisters and brothers, if any of my students are here, video editing course students, probably we have 2 to 3 students from our video editing courses here, okay? Hopefully we have them now, or else I do not remember the names, but we have the students from video editing courses, okay? So alhamdulillah, we have different dimensions. We call it as an aspect ratio when we edit the videos, fine? Aspect ratio. And that, dear sisters and brothers, we have a landscape kind of pattern. We have Instagram story, we have reels, we have 9:16, 16:9. All of these are the ratios. We don't have to buy heart it, because in the creator design it will give you what kind of videos you want. Okay, so dear sisters and brothers, we have different kinds of videos. Hopefully you all know that. And meanwhile, through the course, dear sisters and brothers, we were editing the videos in different ways, right? We were making the flyers into the videos. All the flyers we made into the videos using the animate button. So we did not have to worry about anything. And also we learned some of the glimpses of making the videos, and we also know some major terms for the video editing as well. So now we'll just deal with something called as video editing. How to start off? You can just go ahead with the create design. Now video, okay, video creation, just type in video. What kind of video you're creating, okay? So for YouTube, dear sisters and brothers, you have a landscape video, fine? Landscape video, something that you capture from a DSLR or something like that, okay? Landscape video. And for the YouTube Shorts, YouTube Reels, or what we say YouTube Shorts, the Instagram Reels, the Facebook Reels, and something like that, you'll be having different portrait kind of aspect ratio, okay? Portrait kind of aspect ratio. For the Instagram stories as well, and as the mobile videos and all, you will be having portrait kind of aspect ratio. So remember, you just have to put a video here, and whatever video you're going to make. For example, YouTube video. YouTube videos are in 2 types. One is a landscape, one is the shorts. So YouTube video, if you want it as a landscape, then you have a YouTube video aspect ratio, that is over here. Okay, this one 1920/1080. This is a landscape pattern. Okay, landscape pattern. We will just go to this landscape here, and we'll just start off. Okay, landscape video. Hopefully you're doing it along with me. Yes or no? Okay. So the timing of the video is here, dear sisters and brothers. This is the timing. How many seconds is first page? About 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. If you want to change the timings, if you want the video to be 15 seconds, click on the video and type 15 seconds here. Okay, at most one page you can take it for 30 seconds. If you want another page, you just have to click on another page, and then you can go take another 13 seconds. You can create hovers together with the video here with the Canva. Okay, do not worry about that. You just don't have to question like, is it just the 30 seconds? No, you can create it for hovers together. See here, one and then plus page, another 30 seconds you can create. Or you can take the videos itself and put it here. For example, if you have a lecture video and you want to edit that lecture video, for example, probably I do not have any videos in the gallery. Let me just see. Okay, I have a video here. I was editing for Nurul Quran. Okay, for example, this video, I'll add it to the page. I want to edit this video. How to add it to the page? Within seconds, I'll add it to the page. Okay, this video I was editing just now before the class. So dear sisters and brothers, how to do that? How to take it from the gallery and just add it to the page. That's all. So 4-minute 30-second videos. How to listen to this video? Just have to play and listen to this video, and wherever you want. What I had the work here was I was trimming the parts that I didn't want here. Fine. So how I was doing it was something like this. How to do this? How to do trimming and splitting now. I'm just showing you something how to trim this video. For example, dear sisters and brothers, this is a 4-minute 30-second videos. Can you all see? 4-minute 30 seconds videos. For example, I do not want the part of this video from, listen carefully, I don't want the part of this video from for example, I want 4 minutes of the video. I don't want last 30 seconds of this video. Last 30 seconds of this video. How would I do that? I'll take this timeline. See here, there is a bar here. Hopefully you are finding this. This is called as timestamp. This thing. It's in black, so you cannot identify it here. So remember, this is timestamp. Hopefully my students from the batch can understand it. You can just go ahead with a 4 minute here. Exactly 4 minute. 4 minute. Okay, 4 minute. We don't want last 30 seconds. How to trim that? You have something like from the last, you can just grab it up and you can just go ahead with this one. Or you have another option. Okay, I'll just show you another options. 4-minute 30-second video was there, right? So next option, listen very carefully. You just have to take this timestamp to 4 minutes. Exactly 4 minutes. See here, it's 4 minutes. Okay, take it to the exactly 4 minutes. And what you're going to do, you're going to delete something on the right side. So you just have to tightly click on this, or you just have to click 3 dot button on this and split the page over there. Split the page over there. Okay, 4 minutes I've gone to, and 3 dot button, and then split the page. Done. So I've split it off and I'll delete it. That's all. Delete the thing that I don't want. Have you understood this? Very important features. When you are going ahead with editing, video editing and something like that, you have to know these things. Okay. For example, you have 5 minutes content, fine. This is a 4-minute video. Okay. I don't want a part in between this. For example, I don't want 2 minutes to 3 minutes. I don't want. I don't want something from 2 minutes, second minute to third minute. Okay. And I want first and last part. Have you understood what I'm trying to tell you? Okay. For example, this is a cake. Okay. I don't want this part. I want to eat this part and this part. Okay. So for example, this is from 0 minute to 1 minute. 1 minute to 2 minutes, I don't want. Okay. 2 minutes to 3 minutes, I want it. 1 minute to 0 minute to 1 minute, I want. 2 minutes to 3 minutes, I want. This I don't want. How to do that? Any idea? I'll split it here, I'll split it here, and I'll delete it here. Just a common sense, like how we just have to think of, and we'll just delete it easily, right? Come on, how to try it? Can you all try it? Add any 5-minute video and just make sure you're doing these things. Okay, these are the things that you all have to know. Okay, so here I just clicked on it, and if you want, tightly press it on it, or you can just go in the 3 dot button and click on it. For example, 1 minute I'm just stuck on. I'll just click on the 3 dot button and split the page on 1 minute. Okay, then I'll go ahead with 2 minutes. I don't want it from, what did I say? 1 minute is done. 1 minute video is grabbed up. I want 2 to 3 minutes, right? So here 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Hopefully you're understanding where is being placed, right? See, this much from 3 minutes exactly. I don't want. So I'll split this page again. Split this page and delete this part. Okay, delete this part. This is how you can just make sure you're making the edits in different ways. Have you understood it? How to trim and split? How to trim something, how to trim some parts? For example, if you don't want the first part, for example, this is 1 minute video, you do not want something from 0 minutes, 0 to 30 seconds. How to do that? Go ahead with the 30 second of this video. You just have to place this timestamp. Press on the, click on the video. 30-second timestamp. Let me just go ahead with the 30-second timestamp. Where is the time being shown here? It's shown here. Okay. 30 seconds. Just click on the 30 seconds, split the page. And first part you don't want, so delete it. Delete it. 3 dot button and delete it. Delete page. That's all. Understood? Not understood? This is an important thing. Whenever you're going ahead with the video editing, dear sisters and brothers, you will have to encounter something called as trimming, splitting, okay? Because I, as a video editor for various teams, for various YouTube channels, I have to do this work. For example, I've been given the task of 7-hour video. A 7-hour content is given to me, and they ask me to edit it such that I want shorts edited out of it. I want what we say, I want to create the YouTube videos out of it. I want to create so many things out of it. So what should I do? Major work for a YouTube or any video editor is trimming and splitting. So once you have learned this trimming and splitting, then your task is done very easily, fine. So this is how you trim and split the things, and trim and delete the things, fine. The next thing, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, there are several options for the video editing. I'll show you some of the options. Let's just start. There is something called as playback. Okay, let's just go ahead with playback and see what is playback. Okay, when you just click on the playback, it shows you what speed of the video do you want to edit with. Okay, for example, dear sisters and brothers, you have your own video. For example, I'll just write person running. Okay, I'll just take a video. I'll put this person, I just want a very small video, because when I use bigger videos, then your Zoom might be stuck, fine, because it needs high amount of internet connectivity to make sure. Okay, I'll take these 2 people who are running. I'll set video as background. They're running in a very faster manner. Can you just see, dear sisters and brothers? They're running in a very faster way. Okay, Now I want to reduce their speed. Okay, I want to make a slow motion. I want to give a slow motion. For example, whenever you're editing some videos, you want slow motion to be done. You want to give a fast speed for some of the videos. Then how to do that, dear sisters and brothers? So you just have to go with something called as playback. Okay, so video speed, if you increase here, then it will actually make it faster. But if you decrease here, dear sisters and brothers, it will give you a slow motion. Understood? Slow mo and increase. Increasing the speed, yes or no? It's a separate topics of editing, very, very important. I'll delete the page. I just want a yes to move ahead. Okay? Okay, Alhamdulillah. So this is how video is edited. For example, dear sisters and brothers, okay, what am I given? I already told you. I'm given a 4-hour video and I want a content to be grabbed from that. So what I do is I just take the 4-hour video and put it on the timeline like this. And while listening, I don't have so much of patience to listen entire video. Okay, I don't have so much of patience. Usually, no one has the patience to listen to the entire 3-hour video in a very slow way or something like that, because the trimming work is also being carried out. So how to do that? How do I do that? Is I go to the playback and increase the speed of the video and then listen to the video. Okay, like how you do it on the YouTube, right? What do you do on the YouTube? 1.5x 2x speed, right? Playback speed you'll increase, correct? So this is how you do it. Okay, this is the trick that I want to teach you all. If you are given, if you are into the video, if you will be into the video editing after this course, then this is a trick that you all can follow. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Next, inshallah. Next topic. If yes, then we'll move ahead with another topic. Have you understood why is this speed up being used for the video editors? Yes or no? Okay, Alhamdulillah. Next topic, dear sisters and brothers. For example, you're given a video, dear sisters and brothers. I'll take a video. For example, this is the video that is given to you. Okay. Now you want, they'll ask you, for example, the content creator will ask you, 4 minute. Okay. I'll take 2-minute video. I'll add it to the page. Okay. 2-minute video is given to you, dear sisters and brothers. Now the content creator is asking you to take the audio of this video only. They want you to just take the audio of this video and they don't want the video. Okay. They want you to edit the video in different video format. I mean, they want the backgrounds to be different and not this background. How are you going to extract the audio? Extract the audio. Okay. So to extract the audio, this is very important. Please listen carefully. Extracting the audio. This is a separate topic for video editing. Extract audio. You know, we take one separate class, day 1, day 2, day 3, to just learn how to extract the audios, how to extract this or something like that. Okay. So now please listen carefully. You have to grasp this concept because you all are also going to be the video editors, inshallah. So how to do that? Click on the video that you want to extract audio of. Click on 3-dot button, extract audio. Just within seconds, the audio will be extracted. Okay, within seconds. Why it didn't extract for this? Because it was not uploaded to the Canva, fine. So it is actually taking much of my space, so I didn't upload it. If you want to upload, you just have to click here, add to the uploads. It will upload. It will take my time. It will take my internet connectivity. So I'll just delete it. I don't want to be okay. It's doing it so fast. No problem. Okay, just I think it just has 20% left. Okay, so you just have to click on 3-dot button and extract the audio. Okay, done. See, it's done. Okay, so smaller the video, better is the extraction process. So extracted, audio is extracted. Now I can just delete the video. Video is deleted. Where is your audio? Where is your audio? Your audio is here. How many minutes? 2.5 minutes. And the free page is here. I have deleted the video. Have you understood how to extract the audio? Please type understood. Okay. Now I want to put up my own video. For example, it was from the Quran. I want to put up my own video. For example, I'll just go ahead with the Quran here. My own video on it. I'll just put up. How to do that? I'll just go ahead with the videos. I'll put up this one. Now I can just go ahead and set video as a background. Now when I play this, it will be played with this video. Okay. Now this video, I don't want the audio of this video. There is audio in this video. Okay. There is audio in this video. I don't want, because I want to play my own audio that I have extracted. This audio I want. I don't want this audio. Then what should I do? I should mute this video, right? Yes or no? How to mute that? There is some button known as volume button. You just can go ahead and adjust the volume of this video. Just click on it and you just have some edit video option. In the edit video, you have adjustments. In the adjustments, you can even adjust the colors of the video. You can adjust the brightness of the video. You can even add the effects to the video in this way. Contrast, highlights, tools. Just see some of the effects that you all can insert for the video. Fine. And the tools, background remover tool is there. This I'll discuss within few minutes, inshallah. And dear sisters and brothers, for this, if you don't want any audio, then you can just go ahead with detach this video from the background. Now you don't want any audio, so I'll just go ahead with the playback. In the playback, this is speeding up. Okay, so where is the mute button? Just a moment, you'll find it somewhere here. Okay, so we'll just go ahead with the muting of this. Okay, probably this has no voice. Yes, this audio has no voice. This video has no voice. So we can just go ahead with this one. Another video. Let's see whether this has a voice. Yes, this has a voice. Okay, how will you understand this? How will you understand this? There is a button here. Okay, this video has a voice. So I didn't play that. So this way you just can go and decrease the volume. Understood? Mute the volume of the video that you're inserting. Okay, one video I've inserted. Fine. Now, for example, dear sisters and brothers, this is a 2-minute video. Okay, this is a 2-minute audio that I have. And for this 2-minute, I don't want this entirely. For example, this video, I don't want it for the entire 2 minutes. Then how to do that? Remember, I have to adjust the timings of this video. Okay, I'll just click on this 3-dot button. Okay, show timings. Show timings. Now for the first video, okay, this video, I want it till only how many seconds? 30 seconds. I want it to be played just for 30 seconds. Fine. This way I can reduce it 30 seconds. And then I want another video to play. So I'll just add another page. You can do it with another page, or you can do it with the same page, and then you can play another video. I want this video to play. Okay. Done. So next page you can add. Or you can increase the page size and add another video in that. Okay. So in this way you can add. Okay. So next video, after this video has played up, then you can add another video. In this way, you can add the timings for the videos. Okay. Hopefully, you're understanding these things. It's nothing but one video after another. If you want to add up and you want to play, then this is the way you can go ahead with. Fine. Okay. For this one. Okay. Hope you're understanding. Yes, no. How you can add multiple videos. You can take new pages, add videos, or you can show timings and add it to the same page. Something like this. Now we're going to play this. It will be played till 25 seconds. And if you want to add the transition between the videos, same as that of the presentations, color wipe, line wipe, whatever you want to add between the two pages. Fine. So this is how you add different videos. For example, dear sisters and brothers, now you want to add 2 videos on the page. Okay. On the different video editing applications, what we do is we actually have to have something called as layers. If you want 2 videos to be playing on single page, then you can just go ahead with something like this. 1 video, 2 video. It's very easy on the Canva. Fine. Okay. Extraction of audio is understood, alhamdulillah. And how to mute the audio of the video is nothing but you just have to go here and select the volume. Lessen the volume. I mean, make it less. Okay, lesser. Fine. This way you can just remove the video sounds. Hopefully, you are understanding the concept that are being told, right? Yes or no? Now, typing the text. For example, now it is being started. This video has started up. Now, how to type the text? Okay, how to type this text? For example, I'm dealing with this page, right? Okay, this is our page. Okay, the very first page. I just want to go. Okay, now we are just going ahead with the text. For the text, remember, same thing. I'll just add a heading. We'll just start with Assalamu alaikum. Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, and whatever, if you want to add a voiceover, you also have the voiceover. Probably you all know that, right? Voiceover, if you want the, what we say, voiceovers you can add. And also there is something called as video. This one, dear sisters and brothers. Go to the apps, you have something called as, okay, caption generator. Okay, there's something called as caption generator. Just go and type caption there. You will get what we say, the audio. You just have to put inside that and it will generate the captions for that by itself. Remember that. If you have an English one, that will be excellent. Fine, that will be excellent. But if it's a Urdu kind of what we say video, then it is difficult to do that. The transcribe audio is excellent option. You can just go ahead with this. Okay. So then, dear sisters and brothers, you can just go ahead with the what we say timings of the text. Fine. However you want to arrange the timings, you can just go ahead with that. So, for example, for 1 to 30 seconds, I want Assalamu alaikum to be played. And then I want this Assalamu alaikum to be played after 15 seconds, then I'll just duplicate this up. Duplicate. Okay. So I'll duplicate it and I'll place this after 11 seconds or something like that. Okay. I can just write whatever I wish to. Assalamu alaikum. Then I'll write. Then it should follow up with the what we say caption generation or whatever the audio is there. You can just write about it. Or if you want to write about the subtitles, you can just write about it. Fine. So this way you can just write it. The next word I rahmatullah. Okay. Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Come on, please try it with me. You'll find it interesting. Allah. Okay. So now when I play this up, how will it play, dear sisters and brothers? Assalamu alaikum will come at first and then wa rahmatullah will come at next, right? So see here. So remember, the timings is very important because of this. Fine. See, this way you can set the timing. Hopefully you are understanding these concepts. Just see here, when I play this up, first Assalamu alaikum will appear from 1 to how many seconds I have taken, that much. So show timings is important format to know the timeline. To know the timeline. Okay. So see here, Assalamu alaikum, then it appeared with the rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, dear sisters and brothers, you can even add in animation and out animation to this. Hopefully you know that, right? Go to the animation and add the animation to the text here. Animation on both enter and on both exit. Okay. And then for rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, animation, in animation and out animation. Probably you are finding it a bit quicker, but remember, to grasp all of the concepts of video editing, dear sisters and brothers, you just have to know it, all. Okay. So inshallah. So this way, both. So now when I play this, just see here how I can give the effects to this. Okay, I'll just make it from the start. I'll play it. See how it has appeared. It has appeared with an in animation and out animation, right? So this way you can make sure you're editing your own videos in your own format. Yes, did you all like it? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You can just try it all. Because we are short of time, we are not doing it as a whole. Okay. Hopefully we know all of the text options and more. We'll do that later. Fine. We have understood it all. We can do it later, inshallah. So now, what else, dear sisters and brothers, about a video? Fine. You have something about the crop. Okay. You have something about the trim. Trim we just have understood. There's something called as playback. This is for speed, right? Edit video is for effects and adjustments, right? Crop, if you want to crop the video only this much, if you want, you can crop it, or you have this options, you don't need that crop. Flip, if you want to flip this right to left to right, then you can go ahead with that. Borders, if you want to add the border to this video, like bordering to this video, border you can add like this, okay, for the video. Or if you want to animate this video, if you want to make sure this video comes inside the picture with the animation, in animation, out animation, then this is how you can go ahead with animation. Then if you want to position it exactly at the center, exactly at the middle, you're done. Then transparency, if you want to lower the transparency of the video, if you want it to be less opaque, opacity less, then this is how. Locking is there, then this is there, then this is the copy styling, that's all. Okay. So these are some of the options that you all can go ahead with. Hopefully understanding it, yes or no? No or yes, dear sisters and brothers, please type. These are all the video editing options that are available on the Canva. I just want a yes. Alhamdulillah. Any doubts you can ask me now, because I have covered entire video editing concept here. How to add the transition, how to extract the audio, how to even take the timings of the videos, how to add multiple videos, how to add 5 to 6 videos, how to club the videos, how to add transitions between them. All of it are covered. Alhamdulillah. Yes. What more? Any more? Any more? Yes. Any doubts? Any doubts? You can just stop me and ask. How to increase the speed, how to crop, everything is done about the video. Downloading options. To add voice, we'll cover that in a while. How to add the voice to the video. I already told you, you can add a voiceover. You can record it and add it. Record your own voice and add it. Yesterday itself I told you, right? Voiceover. Voiceover. Probably you all remember it, right? Voiceover. You can just type the text, it will give you audio. Yesterday, alhamdulillah, a student has sent me a good voiceover video. Voiceover. Okay. And then this is a caption generation. A caption generation, or what we call it as a transcribing the audio. Okay. Subtitles you can write instead. Subtitles. Okay. Subtitles. You can write caption generation or subtitles. Subtitles, the very first one. Okay, you can just export the design. For example, start. Oh, sorry, I just took that one. For example, probably I have one video there. Okay, this was a video. I'll show you what did I take. How to do that? You just have to click on. You just have to export a video. I took this video itself. Don't click on the video first. Okay, for example, I'll take a new this one frame. Okay, and that let me just add small video. Remember, because it will take much of my time. So will you do that? Come on, I just want you all to try this. How to generate your own caption of the videos. Okay, I'll just see in the uploads if you have any. Okay, I'll show you what did I take in the videos. There is a video. Okay, there was a video of this Andrew Tate. Okay, who was telling something about Islam, right? So why do you think the fighters become this captions were generated by the Canva? How did it generate was I just clicked on this, okay, then you just have to go to the apps subtitles, okay, how to add voice to the videos is already done. This is how, so you just have to go to the subtitles and pick the subtitles. You have to already click this and you just have to start, okay. Within seconds what it will do, it will convert this video, okay. So it will show you which page you want. This is the page 4th, right? The last page 4th audio. You have to just put it and you have to export that in the which format. It will read it for you and it will export it in the caption generation format. I'll just cancel it up. I'll show you how did it do it for me. I'll show you the history. See, this is how it generated the caption. Canva will automatically generate the captions like this. Hopefully you're understanding caption generation. Okay. Subtitle generation, what we say, subtitle generation. This is how you can do it with the Canva. Okay, next thing, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, next thing, how to add voice to the videos. For example, this is your video. You how to add the voice? Go to an application, take your record your own voice, and then how to add it? You just have to go to the gallery and take it from the audios, or you can go to the uploads and upload your video. Upload the video. Upload the files. Whatever the audio files, wherever you have stored. Hopefully, you all know that. How to record your voices is nothing but sound recorders. Sound recorders are there on each and every this one. We have somewhere sound recorder. We'll just record it and we'll just put it up. That's all. Okay. Hopefully, you know that, right? Okay. Then you just have to, it will be appearing on your gallery. You just have to take that voice. Over here, it will be there. And then you just have to click on it. It will be appearing on your video. Understood? Not understood? Yes or no, dear sisters and brothers? Okay, so how to add audios is done. Downloading options one. Oh, downloading options. Okay, let me just share it. Download it. Which page you want to download, you can go ahead with that. Or all 4 pages in one one video, you can just go and download with that. Fine. Usually you have to now download the entire this one, right? Entire video, entire thing. You just can download it. That's all. Okay. And next. Okay, there are some parts left out. How to edit the audios, okay? In the audio editing, you have the same things, right and left trimming. For example, you don't want this much audio, you want this much audio. Same thing, 3-dot button you have to see, and split audio, split right, split left. Those are the things. Then if you want, you can add the effects, audio effects to this. Audio effects is something called as when the audio is appearing, you can give a bit of fade in. And when audio is disappearing, I mean, when it is at the end, you can just give a fade out. Only 2 effects are there. Whereas in the video editing applications, you will have hundreds of effects, inshallah. And adjustments is something like if you want to adjust these things. Okay, let me just show you. Adjustments, with adjustments, there's something like, okay, there's an auto adjustment kind of field there. If you want, you can just go ahead with adjustments and see what it will offer for you. Okay, adjustment is nothing but if this audio, this audio was entirely for 4 minutes, right? 4 minutes. I have just put it up into 1 minute. Okay. So if I want the last part of it, later part of it, I can just adjust it, and over here I can adjust it. Just here, I'm adjusting it on the timeline. Can you just see? I'm just moving it right or left. Fine. There's something called as beat synchronization. It will synchronize based on the what we say automatically based on the speed. Audio voices. I mean, for example, if there is something like there is a harsh noise somewhere there, it will reduce it. If there is a lower voice, it will increase it by itself. This is the AI that comes into picture. You can just go ahead with that. Now, if you want to increase it to 200% or 400%, if you want to give a high volume to this, then you can just go ahead with increasing the audio sound as well. So these are the audio editing options on Canva. Understood? Not understood? Alhamdulillah, we have covered all of the video editing options and all of the audio editing options on Canva. Okay. One option was left out. I'll show you one excellent editing tool. Come on, I want you all to do it along with me. Okay, I'll delete all the pages. How to delete it? Delete page. Delete page. Delete page. Delete page. Okay, let this be there, no problem. I'll add another page. Okay, I want to show you something that you all can do with this, an option known as background remover. Background remover. Okay, for example, dear sisters and brothers, I'll even delete this also because we do not need this, right? Delete. Okay, so now if you have a video, for example, I'll take any video. What should I take? Color splash. I'll take colors. Okay, I'm just showing you, I'm just demonstrating you how beautifully the features like background remover can work. Okay, what color should I take? Can I take this one? Let's see. Okay, this is also good. Okay, I'll just put it up here. Okay, no, I don't want this one. I want something better. Can I take this? Okay, I'll take this, fine. So now, what am I thinking of is, I'll put some separate background for this first. I'll put a beautiful background video at first. I'll take this background video, send video as background, fine. I'll place this upon it, okay? So I'll just place it somewhere here. Now I'll just write something in between. For example, I'll write, in between, I just want to write, I'll take the text, I'll add a heading, okay? I'll just add a beautiful, bigger heading, for example, this one. Okay, so I'll just write EDU-SITE here, EDU-SITE. Okay, I just want you to do it along with me. Any background you can take, simple background or any background. EDU-SITE I've written, and probably you know we have learned some of the typographic skills, right? So I just duplicated this and I placed it here. Then I added effects to this and I made it hollow. Probably you all remember that, right? And now what I'll do is for this one I'll add white field, white or yellowish field. Okay, I'll just put it one above another. Okay, now I'll put this video in between them. In between them. So what I'll do, I'll just bring it a bit forward. Layer, bring forward. Okay. So now what I can do is I can just remove its background, the background remover. Okay. Now when I play this up and show you, just see here how it looks. See here. Can you all just see what is happening? The colors are going in between the text and the background text. Did you all like it? Yes or no? See. What is it doing? Come on, let me try it. I just want you all to try it. Okay, this is one option that you all can do with the video editing. For example, with the what we say with the background remover. There are hundreds of things that you can do with the background remover, right? So that is an excellent tool. The background remover tool with the videos is very excellent because you don't find it anywhere else, dear sisters and brothers. The background remover, that too very easily, you cannot find it at all. So I can just add some other things, set video as background. For example, I want to add in the frame some what we say sea view, sea view, sea view. Then okay, then I can just go ahead with the videos and take some sea view. For example, I'll just show you how beautiful you can work ahead with this. Okay, this I'll take. Now I can just put it up here somewhere. And what I'm thinking of is I'm just removing this, and so that the background will remove this, remove that of the blue thing that I have taken. So this is how I can remove the background. Or else if you want to even regenerate the background, you can just go ahead with again the background remover and see what it can give you. Okay, this can give you only the birds, so no need of this. Okay, something like a feel that you all can take from a video that you can just edit. Okay, for example, okay, try it with different things, dear sisters and brothers. It's actually a very excellent tool that you all can go ahead with. There's one. Let me see how the background remover was. It's all AI that is here, right? Background remover. It has removed everything and it has placed only the two peoples that are there. Okay. Okay. Make sure. Let me see this one. Edit video. Background remover. Let's see what does it remove. Okay, it has removed everything except the shell. Okay, for this one probably you will get a good view. Okay, so this background works efficiently. It actually uses the AI tool. So for example, you want just the trees or something like that, background remover. Okay, if it's a big video, then it will take time. So make sure you are spending much time with this. And also it is all the AI thing, AI process that is put into the consideration, dear sisters and brothers. So that's all. Okay, it's AI, so it might have inaccuracy. So don't expect a very excellent outcome or something like this should be the outcome or something like that. So, okay, with a single background, that actually goes very excellent, right? With a single background. For example, for this video, why did it take very excellently? Because it had a separate background with this, a single background with this. So it took very efficiently, it looked very excellently. Okay, see here, this was actually done in this way. Okay, you can even use this as an intro video or an outro video. Do you all know what is an intro and an outro video? Can you please type yes or no? Yes or no? Intro video for the YouTube channels. Intro and outro. No? Okay, what is an intro video or an outro video is nothing but it is defining about the niche that you are in. For example, if you are an Islamic website or something like that, how you're going to create your own intro videos? Okay, intro video is nothing but it will introduce you to the site that you're in. For example, okay, probably you do not know about the intro videos. So I'll show you some of the intro videos that we have for our various channels so that you'll just get to know what is intro and outro. It will actually take into consideration the your logo. It will bring the logo into the face. That's all. Into the video face. That's all. Okay. So let me see if we have some intro videos. Okay. With the videos. No, I'm not having it currently, probably. Okay, let's see for the videos. Okay, something like this. Thanks for watching. This is the outro video. Thanks for watching that you get. Okay, something like this. Something appears into the frame that is an intro video. I'll show you some of the intro videos that we have made. Okay, this is the outro video. Okay, so some of the intro videos that we have made with the other applications in hand. Okay, where are those? Okay, this was edited by our students. These were all the student edits. This is our team edit. Okay, some of the intro videos. Okay, this is the outro video. This is the outro video that you can take into the frame. So some of the intro videos. Okay, you are actually introducing your channel, introducing your logo on the site. Okay, this is an intro video for the EDU-SITE. Did you just get an idea what is an intro video? Now, yes or no? Because here and there you will find these intro videos. Not yet? Intro videos are put up on the YouTube channels, on the any of the websites, wherein you will be introduced with the content. Seen this way, signature modest creation. This was created by me. Okay, I'm just introducing their channel to the audience. Okay, then this is all the video that is made up. This is the intro video. Think natural. Okay, this is the intro video. At the end, we'll have thanks for watching the content or something like. At the end, you will be having what we say. Just show you. At the end, you will have something like their site and where you are going to contact. See, this is about the product. This was an intro video that we had made for them. For Think Naturals. Okay. At the end, we'll have shop now, contact here, and their information. That's all. Understood. Intros and outro videos are necessary for every channel, in which we actually start off with the introducing the channels to the audience. That's all. Okay, if I have it for the, okay, no, I don't have it for the reminder. Probably I have it for the Nurul Quran. Yes, Nurul Quran, I have it. I want it in the folders. Just a moment, I'll show you in the folder format. Recently I was editing one intro video for them. Okay, it's not here. Okay, intro and outro videos is something, hopefully I've understood it now. You're just going to introduce their channels to the audience. That is an intro. And at the end, outro is nothing but at the edge, you are just going to write there, this one. Okay, introduction video. At the edge, you are just going to write the end. You are going to write, oh, thanks for watching, and all the names of the channels at the end of it. Fine. For example, thanks for watching this content or something like that. Okay. This is one of the intro videos. Fine. Okay, something like this. Fine. We'll see if we have some more. This is the outro video. Fine. This is the outro video that you all can edit. So these are the videos that you all will have on the what we say, on this itself. You will have it all, yes, sisters and brothers. Where on the Canva templates you will have it. You can just have your own beautiful intro and outro videos edited very excellently without any help from anyone. You can just do it as such, or you can just create it with the what we say, with whatever you have in hand. Fine. So I'll just show you some of the intro videos, something like this. This is also an intro video. Okay, what more? Okay, so now we'll just head on to this can be put up as an intro video. So we just have to change the colors very beautifully. Remember that. Okay, and make sure you're even adding some effects to the colors. Probably you all know the effects, right? Or neon effects if you want to give something like that, and if you want to put up when you have to play this. Okay, it got a neon effect and it left the hollow effect, so it is not giving a good feel there. So what I can do is I'll just go back. And on the timings, let me show the timings. Okay, go ahead and give the show the timings. Okay, in the timings you will have two texts, right? We had two texts there. One text EDU-SITE, another text EDU-SITE. Okay. So the second text, what I'm thinking of doing with the second text is, for this one, for the second text, I can highlight it differently. Okay. So something like neon for this one. Okay. And this one about. Okay. Then you can even introduce it to the introduce what we say, where the excellence is reached. If you want to write even the tagline for this, you can write. And if you want to write about the niche, for example, what is it? It's an educational site wherein you are going to learn various courses or something like that. You can even write that. Fine. So now, for example, from here you want to add a text. So you just can go ahead with the text, add a heading where the excellence is reached. You can even add the tagline like this, shorten it up, increase it, shorten it up. Make sure you're adding it very excellently. Something with the, what we say with this one, good fonting. And remember, when you are using this, timings, set up the timings perfectly. And also the timings, if it has shown you the timings, if you are taking the EDU-SITE and all, okay, make sure you're expanding this up. Okay. Now, dear sisters and brothers, when you are shown this one, make sure you're adding the in animation and out animation to this. Go to the animate, and then you just can add animation in, animation out, animation on both. And even for these things, if you want to animate, okay, for both. And if again, if you want to animate it for this last part, okay, I'm not getting the last part, the last one. So I'll just go ahead with this one, and I'll put the pop animation both. Okay, I'm done. So I'll just take it back to the place, take it back to the place. Now I just want to play this and show you how beautifully I generated my own intro video. Intro video is nothing but on which you're going to introduce the topic of your, okay, it's also the topic of the weaving as well. Yes, it is. You can also introduce the topic of the weaving also. And also it is actually the channel intro, what we say. Okay, it is about the channel that you want to write there. Fine. We actually have one intro video for every channel. Okay, for example, this is being put up, and then in the middle you are putting your own video. For example, EDU-SITE, whatever EDU-SITE has put up, I can put the video in between, and then at the edge I want to add an outro video to the channel. Okay, you then can go ahead with the outro and type outro and see, thanks for watching. Okay, or you can just write extro, okay. extra video. Instead of outro, you can write extra video. Fine. So you can just write in the extra videos, thanks for watching our actually training, or you can just go ahead with thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Okay. This is called as outros, YouTube outros. Okay. You can just go ahead with whatever you wish to, and you can just change it according to your needs. That's all. Okay, you have so many. You can take something and you can just, even the intro videos, you can just type in intro to the channel. Okay, it is actually welcoming to the channel, something like that. Okay, intro videos, you can type it in the templates and see YouTube intros, and you will get hundreds of intros. Fine. So here you're not getting it. I'll show you where you'll get it perfectly done. You can just type it here as an intro. You'll get hundreds of templates, hundreds of intro templates. Just type intro, and then you will have hundreds of templates with the intro videos. Just see here. Welcome to the channel, art and design gallery. Over here, you just have to write EDU-SITE, and then you just have to write the tagline. This is called as intro video. So just play it up here and show. These are the intro videos. Okay, you're just introducing your audience with your logo. Okay, this is intro. See here, this video. Can you just see? I'm playing the videos on the frame. It has introduced the logo there. Okay. So welcome to the channel, you can write. Welcome to EDU-SITE. That is also an intro. Welcome to Think Unlimited. There is also an intro. Okay. So this is an intro video. Outro is nothing but when you are just leaving the video out. Okay. You will see this intro and outro videos on various channels. For example, Merciful Servant. If you are logged into some of the major Islamic channels, you can find it. Intro and outro videos. At the edge, you will have thanks for watching. And there this one. And at the first, they'll have their logo coming up, Merciful Servant, with their niche, what we say, with their thing, their tagline in it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Outro is nothing but when you're quitting up the video, at the edge you have to write this. Fine. So this way you can just create your own channel intro, channel outro, and then middle you want to make videos, hundreds of videos you can make, and add one intro at the first, one outro at the edge. That's all. That is your way to create the videos. Fine. That is the way that we create the videos and with the format that we create the videos in. Fine. Because even the Nurul Quran videos that we create are with that itself. Okay, I'm not just getting it. I wanted to show you some of the videos as well. Some of the outros that we create. Okay, this was all about the intro. I didn't have any intro. We actually started off without intro. Okay. These ones are intros for the specific sites, specific what we say, specific specific video. If you want to put up, then we just can write the channel title name. Those are called as intros for those. Okay, but intro for the channel is nothing but you are introducing your audience with the channel name or the logo of the channel. Okay, something like this. Infuse. This is the channel name, and they have introduced it, and then they have put up the video. Fine. These are called as an intro. Fine. Alhamdulillah. So then, what else I'm thinking of showing you is some things in the frame. Okay. Well, we do not have much videos, so that's fine. Okay. Hopefully, you have understood what are the intro and outro videos. And inshallah, in tomorrow's session, we are going to deal with some other topics because I had to show you about the animation and more. So today, I was not able to do that. Inshallah, I will take the topic for tomorrow. And tomorrow, we will also learn how to create your own thumbnails. We'll have some important steps. And tomorrow is a Takmeel video in Takmeel session, inshallah. Dear sisters and brothers, without fail, you all must attend the session. You can bring your loved ones, inshallah, with you. You can just get your anyone, sister or brother around. If you want to get your friends to the last session, you can bring them along. You can you can send them share the link of the last session, inshallah, so that if they're excited to join the course, they can even enroll the course which is coming up on the next month, inshallah, the September 2nd. Probably we're going to launch another course, inshallah. So if you wish to, inshallah, you can bring your near and dear ones to the tomorrow session. Tomorrow will be the completion of the course, inshallah. So be excited, inshallah. Tomorrow you're going to have so many surprises, inshallah, planned. Tomorrow you're going to learn so many aspects as well, inshallah, of the editing. So take care of yourselves, inshallah. See you all in tomorrow's class without fail, inshallah ta'ala. Inshallah ta'ala, biznillah ta'ala. If life permits, inshallah. Jazakumullah khairan, dear sisters and brothers. Take care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد ان لا اله الا انت استغفرك واتوب اليك جزاكم الله خيرا كثيرا Assalamu alaikum.